We working on this guy down here. Wish I had like a little stand or something. Like, get a little tour of the office. Here we go. Let's just take the gunner. The gunner thing. Let's see, can we... Some other pieces, maybe. Something like that. There we go. Let's open this bad boy up. It's never been open. Well, this has been open, but this server's never been turned on. All those memory DIMMs. Now, what we should have a card in here for these SSD drives that we're going to be putting in. Should be a daughter card. I believe it's going to be under there. It's like you got lots of room to add lots more memory. Intel Silver 4116s. You can read that while the camera is not focusing. There you go. That's 4500 series SSD. Another S4500 SSD. And then we should have nice 1 terabyte. I believe that should be the last drive. Nope. Another 1 terabyte. So we'll be able to run those in RAID. Yeah, and then we have an empty drive bays. 6 more empty drive bays. Plenty of room for more storage. Alright, well I'm going to take this apart and we'll be right back. We have the expansion card out. As you can see, it's upside down, but this will be where our NVMe drives will sit. Inside of here. So we're going to put 2 of them in. Again, we pulled the server out of the rack and laid it up here on the bench as well while we were taking this out. Just figured it would be better. So we're going to pull these drives out of here and get them installed. Alright, so you can see we had the card out. We're having to move it from these back holes here forward. But the cover was covering up the screw holes here. So we pulled the card all the way out so that way we can move these standoffs forward. We should have these down here just in a moment. there we go. We have our standoffs in place. We will insert this card back into its home. There. Install some screws. Secure in place. And then we're going to take this beautiful Samsung 970 Pro 1 terabyte, insert it into its new home. We'll grab the other Samsung 1 terabyte 970 Pro. And we'll install this guy back into his home. And that's it. 2 more terabytes worth of space installed in ultra fast NVMe fashion. So we had these tabs back here. So there's one tab here and one tab here. You pull those, pull the whole thing up. So yeah, super killer setup. Don't really care for that, but hey, what do you do? But yeah, this is a 1 bitchin' server. The first boot, maybe. I don't know where it went. I didn't even get to see it. So tab, delete. Should be able to figure out a way to fixate this to a mic stand there. limbo. Sorry for the shaky camera. All right, we'll be right back once we get into BIOS. Oh, here we go. Yeah, once we get in BIOS, we'll be back. We're in the boot, in the BIOS here. You see Supermicro X11 DPU with 132 or 128 gigs of memory,